So, hi, my dear students. Hello. So, I'm back with a new question paper that is outside Delhi 2019 for information practices. And we are going to discuss SQL parts. So, this is equally good for computer science people. So, let's jump to question number three, which is from my SQL section, and let's see what is. Now, you can see what is MySQL used for. And the second part of the question is Abhay wants to start learning MySQL. From where can he obtain the MySQL software? Okay, so MySQL is a relational database management system which is used to manipulate your database. Okay, and Abhay wants to start learning MySQL. From where can he obtain the MySQL software? So he can go to internet and go to MySQL official website. From there, he can easily download the software, right? Now, the next question is in the table student, Priya wants to increase the marks column, name marks of those students by 5 who have got marks below 33. He has entered the following statement. So select marks plus 5 from student where marks is less than 33. Identify error, if any, in the above statement. Rewrite the correct SQL statement. So now let us see what the intent of Priya is. So Priya wants to increase the marks. Okay, column name is marks of those students by 5 who have got marks below 33. Select is a statement which displays the result but do not actually modifies the marks. So instead of a select, we have to use a update statement. So it should be somewhat like this. Update student set marks is equals to marks plus 5 where marks less than 33. Hope you got it. Okay. Next is name the data type that should be used to store account code like A1001 of customer. As you can see, it enclosed in a double quotes and it is an alphanumeric value. So it should be stored in a char or varchar, right? So either of the answer varchar or char is correct for this. Now the second part is name two data types that require data to be enclosed in quotes. So char and varchar is still the answer. Okay, and date time is also the answer. So you can use any three. Now, given the table player with the following column, you can see we have two column p equal point and we have a null value in between these two. So write the output of the following statement. Select average point from place. So obviously you can calculate. So it is 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45. So answer must be 45. Now you must be wondering why should it uh, can't be 30. So 30, the simple answer is that when we are using an aggregate function, it do not evaluate a null value and it is considered as this row doesn't exist for the point or for this query, right? So you have only two values. So 50 plus 40 is equals to 90 and 90 divided by 2 is equals to 45. So you will be getting 45 from this. Now coming to the next point, select count points from player. So obviously same answer, it should be 2 or 3. Right, you guessed it. It should be okay. Hope you will get this. Now coming to the next, it is from transaction and unfortunately or you can say fortunately we do not have this chapter. So we are not going to discuss this one. Okay. Now coming to the next F part. Name SQL single row function that returns a number, any function that returns a single number. So it can be bow, it can be len, anything. Okay, so which simply returns the number. So it can be there are many functions, but you have learned bow, mod, and len. Lowercase, UCase, or LCase is the answer. Return names of a day, like Monday, Tuesday. Day is the simple answer. Return weekday number. So weekday is the answer. Okay. Now, So it is from Java. We are not going to discuss these. So let's quickly jump to question number actually 5. Let's solve this, and 6 we will be solving in next chapter. Okay. Consider the following table furniture. Write SQL command for this statement 1 and 3. And write output for SQL query 9 and 10. Okay. So this is the query. We may need to see the what we can say table again. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to split it into two parts so that I can view it simultaneously. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a marking scheme. Don't worry, I will also provide this marking scheme to you as well. And here we have, I'm going to keep it side by side so that we can do the question as well as, okay, let me scroll it down. Here we have the question and answer. Say we are going to keep it here and we keep it here so that it is easy to. Okay, the question is to display F code name and price of item that have price less than 5,000. I think this is really simple. Select F code comma name comma price from furniture where price is less than 5,000. I think this is really right. So next query is to display name and price of those furniture item that have table anywhere in their name. Okay, so anywhere you have to use a pattern matching, and percent table percent can be the pattern, right? So let's write the see the query. Select name price from furniture where name like percent table percent within a double quotes. I think this is also clear, and I have taught you how examiner is going to allot marks. Okay, so let's see in marking scheme only. Let's get rid of this and this way. Let's increase it. Select distinct. Oh, okay. To display W code of a furniture item, there should not be no duplicate. There should be no duplicate values. To remove duplicate values, we use a distinct. So select distinct W code from furniture. To display the name and price increased by 500 of all furniture items. So you can see how we can use. And notice to display it says it doesn't say you have to update it on our table, right? It says you should only display it. See, price should only be displayed as increase. There should be no increase in the data in the table. So we have to use the select instead of update. Okay, select name plus 500 from furniture is the answer, right? So next question is to display F code and name of each furniture item in descending order. You have to use order by and F code. Since it is a descending, so we use B. We should be using the ESC. Select F code comma name from furniture order by F code the ESC. Okay. Now sixth one is to display the details of all the furniture item which have manufacturing data between these and these. So you can use this with the help of these queries, right? I think this is really simple. You can use a between or less than equals to. Okay. Now to display the average price, you can simply use AVG price from furniture, then finally the weight loss, right? And I think rest you can do it. I will send you a question paper as well as marking scheme so you don't face any difficulty. That's all for the day, and I will be sending one more question paper. You have to do question number 3 and question number 5 from that question paper. Okay, hope you will find easy to do it. And bye bye, see you and have a